Ragtime, The Death of Our Sled Dog, January 2004. Tell me that joke again, Marstadt. Slip me the inside scoop on why your painted laugh means mirth. Extemporize anew your comic theme of burdens lifted by releasing earth, wrapped in the two-step of that old soft shoe routine, the tinsel tinkle of vaudevillian dreams. Gone are my eager sidekick and his amber gaze. I need a pickup, but cannot agree that every kiss begins a prefix playbook of goodbyes. O interlocutor supreme, strut by, black cane tucked tight beneath one white-gloved arm. Your upbeat pantomime gets poor reviews. Doctor that faded script. Take out a brand new act on tour. It's spring. Add bright new tunes. The time is right for artifice and magic shows. Thanks for the invite, but I find I must refuse. The foxglove opens and sweet larkspur blooms. That winter calls, and still I long to go, where fading paw prints flatten in the slumping snow.